Ensuring product quality is crucial for factories. If a product is not perfect, it cannot be sold, leading to revenue loss. Factories strive to ensure that every product is of the highest quality. In the past, quality control was done manually, but due to labor shortages and the need for optimization, this task is now entrusted to technology, primarily artificial intelligence. Vision is such software capable of continuously monitoring and inspecting products on the conveyor belt using AI and cameras. It also generates statistics, providing data related to production and signaling any defective products. Using vision not only simplifies quality control, but also reduces the number of defective products. Would you like to learn more about vision or try a demo? Visit www.asc27.com.